Now, if you have some shrubs that, or let's say, that have died and you want to remove them,
right,
it's really tough, and people usually use a regular shovel. This is really cool. This is Root Assassin. You see, just the name itself, but take a look at that.
Look at
it's
the
a
teeth
shovel.
on the side
yeah,
of it.
it's a shovel with teeth on the side, and the teeth basically are beveled in both directions. So when you go down, you can see. Then we have a video to show our audience that if you wanted to remove, let's say, a limb from a tree, okay, it'll do that, so you can see. So it acts as a saw. Now here we're removing the plant. Look at this. So it goes in, and it basically now is cutting the roots when it goes in, and cuts the roots when it comes back.
Like a saw.
Yeah,
so
just like a saw, exactly, right. And you can see they are sawing a limb, which is kind of cool. But you know, a product like this wasn't even available years ago, but this is just ingenuity.
Right.
This is somebody taking technology and looking at how can you make something better. Because a lot of people have shovels, but they don't have anything like this, which is really neat. And at 50 bucks, I mean, pretty cool idea.
This is someone that was really frustrated removing a plant.
Yeah.
Said, I got to do something about this.
Well, yeah, and the thing, what I love about lawn and garden especially, is if you have the right tool, you can do anything.